This video shows how GMS project is implemented using standard GMS components in order to provide project management functionality. A typical project consists of tasks and resources. Mail is the main tool used for daily communication and documents interchange. Resources may need to create their own detailed tasks. Project documents are stored on a file server, while other documents are scattered in mail and on personal computers. This working environment ends up with documents everywhere. Also, a method is needed to share the project plan. DMS and cloud storage are needed for version control and remote document access. What is needed is integration between all those components. We will show how GMS project will provide a solution for that. We will create a project called Forms using GMS by simply creating a task container. Then a task is created with the same name where project details are kept and team members are assigned to the project. Several things will take place in the background and we will see that in details. Proper project folders are created for the project manager and for the team members, which is mail folder to auto-store incoming emails for the project. Project folders, which we just created, will be shared with the team members, and a shared document folder owned by the project manager, which is a central repository for the project. If we log in as one of the team members of the project, we can see the shared document folder for the project. Also, each team member will have his own personal project document folder. Project folder, which is a shared task container, will be accessed by all team members as read-write. As a project manager, I will copy some documents to the shared project folder on GMS Drive. I will use Windows Explorer to do that. Documents are accessible from the browser. And team member can also access the documents. As a project manager, I will select the project forms and create a task. I will name the task Proposal. The task will be created in the Forms container. And I will then assign the task to a team member called User1. User1 can now see the task and comment on it. Comment is just an email having both the project and the task as the subject. User1 sends the mail and the project manager receives it, and the mail is stored automatically in the proper project folder. He may respond to it as a normal mail or can do that as a comment in the task itself. In both cases, the mail is related to the project forms and the task proposal. As documents are attached to mails, they are not scattered documents, as attachment may be viewed by project. So even if documents are not saved in the shared folder, it is still linked to each project properly. We will now see how a user interacts with project using mobile. He will first select the project, so only tasks for this project are displayed. He may comment on a task where a mail is created having the proper project and subject. He may see the documents of the project on GMS Drive. Team member may choose to send pre-generated timesheet or select a timesheet form unpopulated manually. Then, as per workflow, it will be approved by the project manager and then submit it to HR. How is GMS project done? It is by using components, sharing them, and properly setting filtering rules, linking mails, tasks, documents, and placing them in proper folders. Also by automating and simplifying setups of different mobile clients and integrating them with GMS. That provide us with GMS project accessible from browser or any mail clients. Further enhancements like project stages, which are just subcontainers under the same project, using new UI, Gantt chart widget, auto update of project plans, and adding reports will all complete functionality of GMS projects. Thank you.